Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have LENOVO Tab P12 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you try search something but you can download it, it is not visible, you must go back to the main menu and tap on your photo on the right corner. In it, choose Settings, Family and Parental Controls, which is on right now, and we have PG3. To visible game or applications Mobile Legends game, we need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter our connect pin to parental control, and we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow all included underrated, confirmed by understood and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.